Hello there, amazing person. This is Riu Palace, Maldives. We're actually at room number 16. When you get here, you get one key card and you can ask for another one, especially when you and your partner are not attached to the hip. This is the power outlet. Whenever you overload one of the sockets, you can turn the switch here. This is one of the many art pieces. It's made by this person and all of the art has the same color scheme. The floor is wood, I think, or maybe fake wood, I'm not really sure. This is a wood panel. This is a huge mirror. We're first going to the bedroom. You get 2 ropes, I forgot to tell you that. They're pretty thick and actually pretty warm, so we're not really using them. This is a toilet with a bidet. This is the shower, the indoor shower. This is what you get in the room. You get a conditioner and you get shower gel and shampoo, and they refill it. You have a rain shower and a regular shower. There is a hair blower. There are 2 sinks, his and hers if you will. You have a mirror, you have some paper tissues. These are the towels to use outside. They're pretty big. And these are the towels that you can use inside. They're also pretty big. And if you're out of towels, if they're wet or whatever, you can call reception for more. And you get these normal small towels. You get 2 hand towels to wash your face with. This is the tub in the middle of the room. This is the view of the first half of the room. Then the second space in the room, which is the bed. You have 2 nightstands. This is my side. And you get 4 pillows. Every day they do something party with towels. This is my hubby side of the bed. This is the bar. A lot of people are talking about this bar. I don't really drink alcohol, so I don't know if it's good alcohol. Smirnoff, Captain Morgan, Teachers, Rives, something dry gin. This is what I brought with me. These are coffee syrups, which makes a lot more sense for me and my lifestyle. You do get a refill of instant coffee. If you want to showcase anything, this would be a perfect spot to showcase it. Couch, which is pretty comfortable. You have a table, and then there's this huge dresser with 6 drawers. And then there's the television. The television is pretty big and you can turn it which way you want. The last part of the room is the desk, the office. It's pretty big. It has 2 chairs. So this is the room tour. This is an overview of the room. It's really big. I wouldn't really call it a room. It's more like an apartment, a studio apartment. And now the balcony with an amazing view. The balcony actually has 2 beds that you can lay on. It has a seat that you can sit on. You have lots of room to store your water toys, your snorkeling toys and stuff. You have 1 rack to dry your stuff. And you have this huge day bed, which also provides you with shade. This day bed is enough for 4 people. We're actually planning on sleeping here one of these days. And this is really the most important thing of the room. This is the pool. And it's how many feet deep? 2 feet 11, 90 centimeters. So you can really do something with this pool. It's not just to sit in like a hot tub. And next to the pool you have the stairs that lead to the outdoor shower, which is pretty handy. You know, the ocean salt water, you just stand here and you shower yourself before you get inside of the house. I have been snorkeling right under this villa and I have seen amazing fishes, so that alone is worth getting this villa. Just snorkeling right under your own villa is just amazing. And of course the pool is amazing to have. This is what we're working with. See, it's full blown sunshine. The only place that has some shadow is there, but not 100%. And when the sun starts setting, I think around 5 o'clock, this chair starts getting shade. That's why it's all the way there. That's where I'm sitting as soon as the sun starts to set. And then about 6:30, it's completely dark. There's no sun and nothing. So you have to be very strategic, be on the beach, we're in the water mostly at night and in between when we just want to cool down for a moment. That's when we're in the pool, and in the morning. So this was the room tour. I really hope you liked it. For the second part of the room tour, I'm going to show you a lot of stuff that are interesting if you're planning on staying here. This is our villa with the pool. Next to us are 2 other villas with other people. So when you're on your balcony or when you're entering your villa, you might encounter your neighbors. We have heard them talk, but it wasn't really a problem for us. Obviously, you can get 2 key cards. There are more than enough hangers. I counted 30, and if you need more hangers, they will bring you more hangers. You have a safe. I have to say, I feel really safe here. I don't think you need to use the safe, but of course you can never be too careful. We haven't used this yet, so I'm not really sure how much water will be splashing when you use it. The towels are being replaced if you put them on the ground. If you don't put them on the ground, they are not being replaced. The soap that you get is actually this kind of soap. If you don't open it, they won't replace it. The shower only has this plank, so if you're somebody who thinks this is not enough space, you need to consider taking smaller bottles with you or something. If you're okay with using the conditioner and the shower gel shampoo of the hotel, you don't need to bring that with you. The water pressure is actually excellent, and the water can get really hot if you turn it all the way too hot. This door is not see-through. You get 2 ropes, but the ropes are pretty thick, which means that when it's really hot and you wear the robe, you're going to be sweaty. They clean the floor every day. You can actually change the air conditioning with this button. It's set on 23 degrees, but you can put it warmer or colder. but the air conditioning will only turn on if you close the balcony door. If the balcony door is open, the air conditioner is not working. The ceiling fan is working if you turn it on. The switch of the ceiling fan is right there next to the bed. Mindful, there are a lot of switches. That side of the bed has a UK socket. See? On this side you have two USB sockets right into the wall. You have the ceiling fan and you have this light. See, the ceiling fan is on right now, and as you can see, it's not making any noise, but it's also not really giving you a lot of extra wind. Also, be mindful that the switches that you have here also control the toilet and the bedroom. So if you're somebody who goes to the toilet at night, you might want to leave the switch of the toilet on instead of walking towards this switch and then go to the toilet in the dark. Usually we have sun here from morning until the sun sets. The sun sets on this side, so we have amazing sunsets every day. You also have two life jackets hanging in the closet. I also forgot to tell you that this socket, I brought a UK socket with me because this is the most stable with 4 USBs, but you can also use this one. See? And any other one. It will fit anything. I know not a lot of people watch TV while they're in paradise, but if you want to watch TV, these are the channels that you get. I'm gonna go through all of them. You have to watch in the corner there to see the name of the channel. So the first one was Al Jazeera, Sky News, BBC World, Rai Italia, TVE Asia, TV5, Channel 1 Russia, TGTV 4A Chinese, DW Deutsch, Radio TV Indian, Yes TV, then you have TVM CTV, then you have Sony Z Cinema, ZTV, Zoom, Star Sports, Star Sports 2, Star Sports 3, AXN, Warner TV. I have been watching this channel 21, Warner Brothers TV. Lots of movies. Comedy Central 22, and then Colors Infinity, Ice Sports, Flix HD, Pix HD, Cartoon Asia, Z Cafe, Discovery 10-2, and then we're back to 1. Another practical thing that I forgot to mention, you get a beautiful figure on your bed every day with flowers and everything. They clean your room perfectly, and it's more than normal that you leave them a tip. And when we go to dinner, I leave them $1 to $2 depending on where we're eating, restaurant or the buffet. Buffet is obviously you're doing everything yourself, so it's $1, and the restaurant is $2 because you're getting served. And then at the bar where I get my drinks, I usually also tip them $1 or $2. So this concludes the room tour. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment and be sure to watch the other vlogs that I'll be filming here in paradise. Thank you for watching. Bye.